Hello everyone, this printer is HP Deskjet 4130 4100 series. What I want to do is to show you ways to copy documents with this printer. Open the glass scanner, stick the document you want to copy face down. This is the document you want to copy. Make sure the document starts from the top left side. So the paper we have here is A4. Go to the screen, select this button once if you want to copy once. Select it twice if you want to copy twice. The number will change. Select this button once if you want to copy black document once. Keep tapping on this to select number of copies you want to copy. So we want to copy this document in color. So select this once. The number will change. So cancel it. So this document is canceled. If you want to copy color twice, you need to tap on this twice. The number will change. 1, 2. Can see as you keep pressing it, the number will keep changing. This is 9, so I'm going to cancel it. The job is now canceled. So I want us to copy this color once. Then you press this once. We'll show you 1. So this is the document we copied color. And also you need to make sure you load the paper you want to use. So the paper we have here is A4. If you want to copy, we still have the document. Want to copy this in black 2. Then you tap on this 1, 2. If you change your mind, select cancel to cancel the job. So I'm going to cancel the second page. So I just canceled the second page. We printed black document once and cancel the second job. This is the document we copied and copy this one, color. Now I want to show you how to copy with ADF, automatic document feeder. So stick the document you want to copy on the ADF. So this is 2-page documents. So stick the document, make sure the document face up on the ADF. And also remove the document on the glass scanner. So this is ADF. Now we want to copy this document in color. Then you select color. This is the document we copied. So these are the documents we copied. If you want to copy this two-sided, then reload it. Reload the document to the paper tray. Okay, reload the document to the paper tray. Reload it back. Then I want us to copy this with different type of document. So take the document, okay, 2-page document on the ADF. Make sure the document face up. Then you select. Once you reload it, then you select copy once. So the document is printed out, and this is two-sided. So double-sided. The second one is printing out. This is the document, two-sided. We copy this two-sided using ADF. So you can copy document with ADF. You can copy one-sided document with ADF. These are one-sided documents we copied with ADF. Then printed it out two-sided. So most importantly, once the document is printed out, you need to reload it back. Once you reload it back, then you select the copy, load the document on the ADF and select copy. Again, for you to print out double-sided. We did this manually. So these are ways to copy documents with this printer. If you want to copy more than one, you need to keep tapping on the particular copy you want to use. This is for you to copy color, and this one is for you to copy black. The same thing is applicable. Load the document on the ADF and also make sure there's no document on the glass scanner for you to copy. So if you are copying with ADF, you focus on ADF. If you are copying with glass scanner, you focus on glass scanner. So these are ways to copy document with this printer. This printer deserves your attention. Thank you very much indeed.